These are Ziznaba medical disposable oral swabs, 50 pieces per box. So they come in a big bag, but then you can pull them out of the big bag, each individual one. You can see a little bit of texture on them. You can wet these. They are pretty soft sponges. These are for people who can't swallow and have dry mouth. They can use these to help moisten their mouth. It can help you gently clean the mouth. They are not flavored, so if you're looking for something that's not mint, you want these pink tipped ones. Easy to pack in your purse or in a bag because each one is individually wrapped. This is a plastic. This right here is a hard plastic stick. It's not paper, so it's not going to get soggy. You have smooth side, rigid side, smooth side, rigid side. Again, it's pretty soft foam, unflavored mouth swab stick. This is what you're looking for. Hope this helps you out. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.